Hello guys, I'm gonna show you that the saints. This is Saint Anne and Saint Maria. This is Infant Mary. This is Buong Nazareno. This is Sleeping Santo Niño. This is Our Lady of Candle. This is Sleeping Saint Joseph. This is Our Lady of Good Health. This is Saint Carlo Acutis. This is Saint Bambino, the child of Jesus. This is Christ the Head. This is San Lorenzo Ruiz. This is Saint Nicholas. This is Saint Joseph. Like this one, Joseph the Dreamer. This is Our Lady of Fatima with kids. This is Holy Family. This is Crucified Jesus. Our Lady of Grace. Padre Pio. This is Our Lady of Piat. This is Our Lady of Manawag. This is Santo Incelo. And I'm gonna show you the next one. I'm gonna show you the big saint. This is Crucifix. This is the Bethlehem. This is Christ the King. This is Pieta. La Pieta. This is Virgin Mary. This is Risen Christ. This is Black Nazarene. Santo Niño. Green Santo Niño. Saint Michael the Archangel. Saint Guardian Angel with kids. This is Bible book. Baby Jesus.